Hello, everybody. Our first card is a sign from the heaven. The angels are with us. Our loved ones are with us, and they're waving hi. They're telling us we must be careful of self delusion, and that's when we getting together with in our relationships and things. We are going to get clarity. They want us to have stability in our relationships. um, do not be tempted to lower your standards. The universe wants happiness and celebrations for us. Trust your intuition. This is true. A distant friend is thinking of you, and something's coming your way which you are not expecting, good or bad, it's coming. But the next card is fulfillment in within yourself. You're actually following your own path and you're not following the rest of everybody else. You know what's good for you. Um, a mysterious message will reveal your true path. And although there's been discord among friends and family, you've decided you're going to have a leap of faith and start all over again. New beginnings, that's very good. You've made right so many things in your life, and it's time for you to find balance now in your life, and that in your monies as well, and be able to help others. You're highly thought of in the heavens, and the Spirit wants you to stay positive and uplifted. The times of you carrying other people's problems is over. Hand it over to the angels, and the angels will do what they need to do. When you reflect on the past, you'll find that all your problems and things were probably other people's stuff that you carried. You are going to have dealings with an older woman, and you're going to find a lot of security and love coming in from your angels. Stay focused on your future in a positive, exciting way. It's going to be wonderful. Things are coming in fast now for us, and the our loved ones say world energy, the earth is going through a transition of energy, and your sensitive body is feeling it. You're not alone. Accept help of others. I love you all very much. Have a good evening.